All right, welcome back, viewers. We have a big breaking news coming in. This is related to the poll bond case, a hearing which is underway in the Supreme Court. Big breaking news coming in. The CGI is basically now making some very big comments saying that the SBI has been selective and this is not done. That's the big statement coming in from the side of the Supreme Court. Bhavtosh and Akansha both live with us. Bhavtosh, coming to you first. Strong statements coming in from the side of the CGI. The CGI and the Supreme Court basically asking why the SBI has chosen not to divulge the details so far.
Yes, Meenakshi, in fact, very scathing remarks from the Chief Justice of India. He has said that we had asked State Bank of India to disclose everything, including the alphanumeric numbers of the bond. We expect State Bank of India to be candid and fair to the court. Now, our colleague Ramakrishna is giving us minute-by-minute updates from this very important hearing where the Constitution bench is sitting. Remember, it was the Constitution bench which had, in fact, made the electoral bonds unconstitutional and later said that all details should be uploaded. In the previous hearing, the notice was given to the State Bank of India. The Chief Justice of India said that this is not fair, that you give the entire, dump the entire data in which the alphanumeric numbers are not there. And today also he had said that without alphanumeric numbers, these data that have been uploaded does not make any sense, and that's the reason why these scathing remarks and observation has been made even as the hearing continues in the apex court.
Well, absolutely. Akansha is also live with us. Akansha, very scathing remarks, of course, as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, and we are getting minute-by-minute updates also because the CGI is basically asking why the SBI has been selective. All right, we have a reaction also of Anish Salve. The live court proceedings also, let's listen in.
The details of such bonds that may be received by a political party up to a date for issuing such bonds as per the ministry, that is February 19, will be submitted on or before 3rd of May 19. The sealed covers will remain in the custody of the ECI. So, we had no role to play. Your Lordships had put this mechanism in place. In your Lordship's judgment, your Lordships dealt with the diverse aspects, including the need to preserve some degree of anonymity, and your Lordships will not mark that in para 125, where your Lordships discuss the electoral trust as an alternative to this system. And in the conclusions, which are at para 218, if your Lordships of the compilation, it would be PDF page 76. Yes.
Of course.
Your Lordships will not say we direct the disclosure of information on contribution received by political parties under the Electoral Bond Case to give logical and complete effect to the ruling. On 12th April, the court issued an interim direction order directing that the information of donation received from donation will be received must be submitted by political parties. The court directed political parties to submit detailed particulars of donors against each bond, the amount of each bond, and the full particulars of the credit received against each bond, namely the particulars of the bank account to which the amount has been credited and the date on which such credit has been made. I'm only not saying this to explain how we understood the order. So this correlation between which political party has received money from whom comes in here, because the political party says, I have received so much money from so-and-so. Then it says, during the course of hearing, Mr. Sharma said that the ECI has only collected information on the contribution made in 2019 because of para 14 indicates direction was limited to contributions in that year. Your Lordship then clarified para 13 and 14 of the interim order are extracted below. In the above perspective, according to us, the just and proper interim direction would be to require all political parties who have received donations through electoral bonds to submit to the Election Commission and sealed cover particulars of the donors against.
All right.